I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs warm into the 50s today, even right around 60 over north central Kansas, a cold front moves through for tonight. Behind that front, we'll see north wind gusts of 30 to 35 tonight, and highs cool to more seasonal levels in the 40s for tomorrow. Snow is possible along the north of I-80 and in eastern Nebraska tomorrow night through Friday as low pressure slides to the southeast. Most snow accumulation should range from a trace to an inch. 1 to 4 inches of snow is likely across north central and northeastern Nebraska, possibly up to 6 inches near the South Dakota border. Only slight reductions in visibility may occur with some blowing snow. The coldest day of the next week is Friday, with highs in the 30s. Lows in the teens are expected for Friday night as wind chills drop to the single digits to around 0. Dry weather is expected with building high pressure for the weekend through the middle of next week. Highs rebound into the 50s to some mid-60s for Sunday through Tuesday. A weak cold front cooling our temperatures just slightly for next Wednesday. That cold front next week, though, not affecting the mild weather trend. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely for Nebraska and Kansas. President's Day through February 27th. Central Nebraska's average highs in late February gradually warm into the mid-40s with average overnight lows right around 20. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Monday through February 27th expected to be near normal to slightly below normal. Key weather factors driving the markets include moderate to heavy snow across parts of the Midwest, isolated rain across central Brazil, and improving weather across Argentina. Today through tomorrow, a disturbance crossing the northern U.S. produces some snow from the northern plains into the Great Lakes. A larger storm moving inland along the Pacific coast produces significant precipitation across Oregon and northern California. The trailing storm racing to the east, reaching the Ohio Valley late Friday and exiting the mid-Atlantic coast on Saturday. Cloudy and rainy weather along the storm's trailing cold front lingers in the Gulf Coast region through the weekend. Cooler weather briefly engulfs most areas east of the Rockies. Key winter ag areas from Texas to Florida, though, will not experience freezes. Across the plains and Midwest, several more quick-moving shots of precipitation move through for next week, but temperatures are forecast to be above normal. Across corn and soybean areas of central Brazil, rain continues to decrease and become more isolated. South Brazil was too dry the last several weeks, and heavier rains are expected this week in southern and eastern Brazil. Delays in soybean harvest and second crop corn planting likely this weekend in much of Brazil. As rain becomes widespread and heavy, it turns unfavorably dry, though, in southern Brazil for next week. Towards Argentina, corn and soybean conditions are stabilizing and soil moisture is increasing with heavy rain returning. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.